And how to change background color of KineMaster. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your KineMaster, then after choose the desired project you want to work on, then tap on the image or a video that you want the background color to be changed. Tap on it. There you can see the option of rotate, mirror, filter, adjust. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of background. Tap on it. There you can see the option of color. It's the first only. Tap on it. Like this you can choose different colors and then tap on the tick icon to make sure that your color changes. Like this, your background color has been changed in KineMaster. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.